Here's how to draw a shaded ball in Photoshop. Start by choosing the elliptical marquee tool and hold the Shift key as you drag to make an exactly circular selection. Make a new layer via copy from that selection. And now switch to the burn tool, making sure the range is set to highlights. Paint over the ball to change the color from white to a light gray. And now paint on the side of the ball and on the bottom to add the shading, building up the shadow as you go. Hold the optional Alt key to get the dollar tool temporarily and paint a highlight. Now switch to the background and we can paint the shadow. Because the light is coming from the top left in front of the ball, the shadow needs to be behind it and slightly to the right. Paint the shadow in small stages, building it up as you go along. Because the ball's in the white surface, it needs to reflect that surface. So switch back to the ball layer, hold Option or Alt to get the dodge tool again. And now paint a slight reflection of that surface onto the ball. And there's the finished ball. If you want it to be in color, then go to the Layer menu. Choose New Adjustment Layer and Hue and Saturation, check the Colorized button, and you can drag the Hue slider to get any color you want. Because an adjustment layer, it applies both to the ball and to the background, so the shadow is in color. If we only applied it to the ball layer, the shadow would look gray, and that looks completely wrong. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to this channel. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.